Gypsy Gray. And the race is on. Manila's Gem from the outside. I am on fire. And Scout Ranger in between runners on the outside. Gypsy Gray. Hallelujah. I am on fire by Hapaland, followed by the favorite Manila's Gem on the outside. 2 lengths corner back in third Scout Ranger, and running in fourth by about 3 lengths Gypsy Gray. Hallelujah. Passing the half-mile pole, I am on fire by Anek Manila's Gem on the outside. And inside the last 650, 2 runners fighting it out for the lead. I am on fire, Manila's Gem on the outside. Scout Ranger is running in third by about 2 lengths, 3 lengths corner back in fourth Gypsy Gray. As they race the final corner, Manila's Gem by ahead. I am on fire, down on the inside. As they race the last 350, Manila's Gem, I am on fire, down on the inside, fighting it out for the lead. Last 200, I am on fire by the round, Manila's Gem on the outside. I am on fire, Manila's Gem on the outside. I am on fire, Manila's Gem. I am on fire. The horse of Mr. Orlando Villardo winning this race. Second, Manila's Gem. Scout Ranger, hallelujah.